Okay, so this is a new trellis, which looks just like that. And as far as assembly, you're basically going to go ahead and take your round parts and put them all together. As you'll see, there is this little clip which will actually go ahead and fit into this hole. So once you're done assembling all those, then you're going to take your stakes, and then your stakes are going to go ahead and fit into these holes. So, and you're going to work from the points on the very, very bottom to where these are on the very, very top. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of put this together and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the rings look like when they are completely put together. And I will tell you that if you're wanting to go ahead and tear this apart later, it is going to be kind of difficult. You actually will take a screwdriver and push on that little clip and then pull it apart because these little clips actually snap together. This is made of all plastic except for these little metal pieces, which will go ahead and actually fit into here. But these are all made out of plastic, and then these are actually metal, and they have like a plastic encasing around them, which is great because then you don't have as much rust. So let's go ahead and put the legs on and let's see what it looks like. Okay, with 2 rings, it's already standing at about 3 feet tall. This is the 4th ring, and then as you can see, it just kind of slips into each of those little holes there. That's going to make it about 4 feet. And then I've still got one more ring, and then of course the top. So if you only wanted it to be this tall, you could set the top part on there and then you'd be done. You could actually skip this part, but I'm actually wanting to see the entire thing put together. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. I'm thinking this thing is cute as can be. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to put my Cuban vine on it because it gets kind of leggy, so I want to put it in a pot. And I'm going to go ahead and actually allow that Cuban vine to wrap around this. Now, it did come with some zip tie or little ties, as well as these little clips for you to be able to help your vine to stay on the black poles. So, and then it also came with these 5 little butterflies. But anyway, just wanted to show that to you guys. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day.